Hello students, in this video we are going to see the HypoCycloid. In the previous video we have seen epicycloid. In the epicycloid we have seen this is the rolling circle and this one is the directing circle. In the HypoCycloid same thing but we have the rolling circle and the directing circle. The difference between the epicycloid and the HypoCycloid is epicycloid, the rolling circle will be on the outer side, but in HypoCycloid, the rolling circle is in the center, within the directing circle or within the direction of the both the procedures are found to be the exactly same, but the only difference is it is rolling over, it is rolling inside. Epi means outside, hypo means inside. So let's understand the question of HypoCycloid first. A circle of 50 mm diameter rolls in the inner side. This rolling circle is the inner side over the another circle, that is the directing circle, and the diameter is 160 mm, and trace the rolling circle for one complete revolution, and also have to draw the tangent and the normal to the curve at the point 40 mm from the center of the directing circle. This is the center of this directing circle. Now we have to find out this angle. We have the formula, sector angle formula. We have small r is the radius of the smalling circle, big R is the directing circle radius into 360. In this case it is 25 divided by 80 and to 360, and we are going to get an answer of 112.5 degree, and this is 12 degree. So let's start making this HypoCycloid in a fair manner. We have to draw a horizontal line. You can make an horizontal distance of any line. After that we have to keep the protector 112 degree, which over the length of 80 mm, and this is the length of the directing circle. From this point we have to take 25 mm inward direction because it is an HypoCycloid, and this 25 mm is the radius of the rolling circle, and with this 25 mm make a circle of rolling circle 25 mm. Divide the circle into 8 or 12. Here for our comfort I am going to divide this into 8 equal parts, each angle of 45 degree. Put your compass on the point O and over the point 8 and mark an arc, which is directing circle radius, because this rolling circle is moving inside the directing circle. Now with O as center, with 1 and 7 draw an arc, with O 2 and 6 draw an arc, O mark from center line, which is the most important line. Again from 3, 5 you have to draw, again from 4 we have to draw with O as center. Now we have to divide this 112.5 into 8 equal parts. In the previous case we have seen how we have to divide this. This should be equal to the division of the rolling circle. So here 112.5 is going to be a complicated task. We have to divide, so sector dividing angle method. So first you draw an arc, and more than the half the radius you put that point, you cut an arc, and at that point mark an arc over here, and you have to join with O. In this way it is divided, this 112.5 is divided into 2 equal points. Now take the first half of the curve, more than the half this radius, more than half of the red color arc we have drawn, and cut an arc at the point. Now this at this junction, then mark an arc. Now join with O. In this way this particular arc is divided into 2 equal points. Follow the same procedure for the second half also. The compass over here and mark an arc over here, and in this way we have divided into 4 equal parts. Now again take the small arc over here, compass more than the half arc over here, and with the center and arc over here. Now join with O over here, and this compass over here and mark over here the line. In the same way you can divide this also into two equal points. Similarly here also you can make and you can divide. In this way this 112.5 is divided into 8 equal points precisely, and draw the line up to the center line of the arc line of the rolling circle. If I divide the rolling circle into 12 equal parts, I have to divide this also into 12 equal parts. You have to be very careful over here. By this all equal line we have to draw till the center line. It's very important. No more extension is required. You can join all till the center, and you can mark the point C1 till C8. Take the compass C1, open your compass to the equivalent to the radius of the rolling circle. Here in this case it is 25 mm, and mark an arc over the line 1. You have to mark an arc on the line that starts from the line 1 from the rolling circle, and this point as mark it as P1. Point C2 with the same radius, mark the arc on the line that starts from the point 2. So I am marking the arc over here and mark the point P2. In the similar manner, put the compass on C3 and mark the arc on the line that starts from the point 3, and this point is going to be P3. The same way from C4 with the same radius, cut an arc over the line that starts from the point 4 and finish it and mark the point as P4. In the similar manner you can do it for C5 and the point is going to be P5. Put your compass on C6, mark an arc over the line that starts from the 6 and name it as P6. Put the compass on C7, mark an arc on the line that starts from the 7 and P7. They mark points that has hypocycloid. Now join all these points using freehand sketch, and you will be getting a complete trace of the hypocycloid. Now here as per the problem we have to make the normal and the tangent over the from the center of the directing circle. It is given as 45 mm here, and with the mark at the arc point as J equal to the radius of the rolling circle. Mark on the center line that passes through the center of the rolling circle. Point name as K. Make the join K and O. So, and in this way we have to join the 2 point O and K. L. Make a line towards the J. Normal. That's a tangent to draw which is perpendicular to the green color line, and this blue color line represents the tangent and the green color line represents the normal of the curve. The students, I hope you understand this video in a very simple fashion I have said. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for enjoying.